much smaller than normal bikes. Well, I would like to describe it using a Chinese slang. Small as the sparrow is, it places all its internal organs. For this e-bike, we use alloy material for its body. It weighs only 16 kilograms because of its tiny body, it can load 150 kilograms. We have different options for battery. This one we use Chinese brand battery. The capacity can be 4.4 ampere or 10.4 ampere. So the range is from 25 to 50 kilometers. Of course, the battery is lithium. The charger is 42 ampere. Charging time is about 2 or 3 hours. This e-bike will use technology of battery protection, including temperature protection, short circuit protection, charging over voltage protection, charging over current protection, anti-charge reverse protection, output over current protection, this over discharge protection. The motor is 350 watts, brushless motor, and top speed is about 25 kilometers per hour. It has 3 modes of speed. Let's see how to switch. Here is a button. We just press here, and you can see it can be switched. It's very easy. It says it has the cruise control system controlled by an app, and it can climb 15-degree hill. While it also has an energy recovery system to ensure long range. It means when you ride it, it will charge for itself automatically. It uses high-performance FOC controller underneath here. The dashboard, let's see, it is LED multifunctional screen. You can see forewarning if it occurs, such as motor connection, throttle, low power, etc. Well, let's see the brake system. It uses double disc brakes. You can connect this e-bike with your mobile phone, where the Bluetooth function. Well, it has an app, so you can also control it with your mobile phone. Okay, that's all for today. We will show you more designs in next videos. See you next time.